Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be explaining to you what happens on your dashboard. So first, at the top of the screen, after you sign in, the first screen you see is your dashboard and you see the name of your farm. This is any name you gave it while you're creating the farm. The crop on the farm, the year that is currently active, and the season that is currently active. I have a few buttons here which we'll talk about later. Then you have your farm details. Farm details is basically the crop on the farm, the location, the size, the current season, current year, and when this farm was created on this system. On the right here, you have upcoming planned activities. Planned activities are the next activity that is upcoming. It gives you five upcoming activities. As you can see, this is rainy season, and today, as at today, there is no upcoming activity. Then down you have some analytics. Analytics are basically comparing what is estimated and the actual that is going on the farm. So season should have started 15th of May estimated, but actually it started on the 1st of April. Same thing for land preparation. It was to start on 15th of June, but it actually started on the 1st of April. Farming days is how long the whole season is supposed to last, and actual you have this. Now, actual is coming from the activities you record. It's filtering it to find out what to fill in these places for actual. Estimated crop cycle is 95 days and actual is also 95 days. Here you have some estimated values for the yield you're supposed to get, how much sale you're supposed to make, and even your budget and profit. Down here, we have three charts. One telling you how much work has been done, relation to how much work should have been done. Expense is telling you how much in percentage has been spent in relation to what should have been spent. And then schedule is telling you if you're doing your activities on time or if you are behind schedule. You have a few of your activities. So as you keep recording activities using this button, it keeps populating and giving you just five of them. To see more, you can click on farm activities and it will show you more of your activities. Here you have farm health, where you can decide to see your weather up to 7 days ahead, telling you what to expect, if it's going to rain or not. Here you can also see satellite indices. For instance, this is moisture index, and you can choose a date. You want to say on June 13th, this was what the moisture index looked like. And as at that date, the crop was 21 weeks. 21 weeks, the crop should have been harvested on 26 September. So let's choose a date that is more realistic. Let's say 18th June. So 18th June, your crop was 6 weeks. The mean value of NDMI was 0.52. And this here is what this means to you. And then you have a few of your harvest records. This is a highlight of everything going on your farm at a glance.